This is the test for the interaction between the GCS and telecommunication. Because right now I don't have two computers, so I use one computer with MATLAB and two USB transceivers. So I plug two USB into the USB ports of the computer. After the installation, I open the SCTU software. As you can see here, there's two serial ports. One is COM5 and one is COM6. To check the connection, I push the button test and query. This label means the connection is ready. Check the other one. Yeah, that's fine. So now both USB are ready to use. So one computer, so I had to open to MATLAB. As you can see on the right MATLAB, I will run the new.m file script. This is the script for the GCS, and the left one is t.m. This is for controller. So now push the button run and run. This is the first layout of the GCS. Now the plan is in the calibration phase, is checking the motor sensor, something like that, and it's not ready to send any data to the GCS. To start the transmission, I push the button start. So as you can see, like the plan is now doing the navigation, and the plan is sending data from the controller to the GCS. As you can see, both of the SB, this is the COM5 and this is the controller. So the light here is continuously receive the data from the controller, and this one is COM6. Also, as you can see, the light beep beep off on off. This means is continuously sending data to the ground control station. And right now, because there's no connection with the real plane, so I had to make the random number, generate the random numbers. So everything here, the front back side sensor or left right tail motor, even the heat speed and battery, both of them are now random. So that's why I cannot make the map, two map here, because with random number I cannot make the map correctly. So just test the ability to send and receive data of the GCS, receive data from controller and send the control signal back to the controller. For example, I said show you start and put the stop. I will put stop that to make the connection end. So like the plane is landing and it stopped sending the transmission, and also the SB. Yeah, on of the lights is off, and this one also all of the lights are off. So it means the transmission is finished.